Hello and welcome to Curiosity Show. Before we go any further, have a look at this. It's a very simple device, but it does very strange things to vegetables. What do you think it is? It's really a potato corer with a difference. Let me show you. You can see it's got a spike on the end. That gets driven into a potato or any other vegetable, and then you come across a spiral wire, which acts rather like a drill. So as I twist it around like that, it's drilling into the potato. Now the ring hits, and the fun really starts. There's a moment of tremendous apprehension while we can't see what's happening, but it's coming out the other side, and as it comes, you'll see that what it's done is to cut a perfect spiral. Well, here's the moment of truth. Let me pull it back and unscrew the core. And yes, here it comes, miles of it, and it's probably the most elegant potato chip you're ever going to see. Deep fry that, and you've got a chip in a million. You can see it's actually a potato spring. Here we are, like that. And the crisper the vegetable, the better it goes. Let's try a carrot, in through that end. Once again, twist it in. You can hear it drilling its way through the carrot, and when we get to the other end, lo and behold, we've got a carrot spiral. And there we have it. A wonderful spiral carrot. Would grace any salad. Now whether you want a crisp vegetable or a chip with a twist, you've got something that peels vegetables from the inside.
Curiosity.